Looking to bring your GM vehicle's audio system back to life? The ACDelco GM Original Equipment Audio Amplifier promises a rich, clear listening experience that matches the quality you had when your car was new. If you want dependable sound performance without the dealer price tag, this GM recommended replacement part is worth considering. I recently swapped out my vehicle's factory amplifier with this exact ACDelco OE replacement. The fit was flawless. Designed to GM's strict specifications, it slid right into place without any hassle. The sound quality? Noticeably improved. This amplifier boosts the audio signal cleanly, delivering crisp highs and deep lows through your speakers. Unlike generic aftermarket options, it maintains the exact performance and durability you expect from General Motors, so you won't have to worry about premature failure or compatibility issues. Installation was straightforward once I removed a few plastic panels under the steering wheel and the hood release lever, which gave me the perfect access point. The process was easier than expected, even if you're not a seasoned DIer. Plus, this amplifier is engineered to handle the same power and voltage as the original, ensuring your speakers receive the right signal to produce balanced sound, whether it's the full frequency range or targeted output for subwoofers and mid-range speakers. What you get with the ACDelco amplifier is peace of mind, a product built to the exact standards of your GM vehicle's original part, ensuring consistent performance and longevity. That means your music sounds just as the engineers intended, with every note and beat delivered clearly. If you're tired of weak, distorted sound or struggling with an amplifier that doesn't quite fit, this is a reliable, cost-effective solution. Worth a look if you want to restore your vehicle's sound system without compromising quality or breaking the bank. The ACDelco GM Original Equipment Audio Amplifier combines factory precision with durability, so your ride sounds great for miles to come. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your audio experience with a trusted, GM-approved component.